In today's video, I'll show you how to create a powerful opening where flame-like effects flow onto the screen and reveal your video in a dramatic and magical way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Since this is an opening animation, it should be applied right at the beginning of the clip. Now, tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your clip appears at the start, which is exactly where this fiery reveal effect should be applied. Scroll through the list of animations until you find Flame Sorcery, then tap on it to apply the effect. As soon as it's applied, you'll see flame-like energy moving across the screen and revealing the video underneath, giving the intro a strong and cinematic feel. To control how intense this effect feels, use the duration slider at the bottom. Dragging it to the left makes the flame movement faster and more aggressive. Dragging it to the right slows the animation down, creating a smoother and more cinematic reveal. Review the animation a few times and adjust the duration until the timing matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a magical flame reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.